Hello my dear kids, welcome to the new session of your English class. Today I am going to introduce the three brothers. You will be thinking who all are those brothers, right? They are none other than the article brothers. So children, today we are going to learn about articles from your English core worksheet. And they are the three article brothers and they have names. Okay, so the first article name is, the first brother name is article A. What is it? The first brother name is article A. The second brother is article an. Okay, and the third brother is article the. So tell me children, which are the three articles? Yes, they are a, an and the. And today we are going to learn the usage of a and an. And we have already learned in our last session that English alphabet consists of 26 letters, isn't it? And they are divided into two parts. The first part is vowels and the second part is consonants. And do you remember those vowels and consonants, children? So tell me, what are the vowels? Yes, they are A, E, I, O and U. What about the consonants? Very good. The remaining 21 letters are called consonants. And today at the end of this session you will be able to know how to use the articles a and an before a word. So shall we start, children? Okay. Now as you can see here, a and an are used before a naming word or nouns. Okay, they are used before a noun. That is, they can be used before a person, place, animal or thing. Okay, so article a and an are used before the nouns such as person, place, animal or thing. And now we are going to know how to use the article a. So here are few examples given here with a picture. So the first picture is a tiger, isn't it? So I have written here a tiger. Repeat, a tiger. The second picture is a ball. What is it? A ball. What about the third picture? Yes, it's a flower. It's a flower. And the last picture is a hat. Okay. As you can see, I have written the article a before all the nouns written here, isn't it? And a is used before the naming word that begins with a consonant sound. And here in the word tiger, the first letter beginning with T and it is a consonant sound. So before a consonant sound, you have to write the article a. The next word, ball. Okay, this is a thing and the first letter, as you can see here, the first letter is B and B is a consonant. So we should write the article a before the noun ball. A ball. Okay, the next one, a flower. Here F is a consonant sound and so we should write the article a before the word flower. A flower. Okay. and the next it's hat. The letter H is also a consonant. So we should write the article A before the naming word hat. So in short, article A is used before the noun that begins with a consonant sound. Okay, I'll repeat. The article A is used before a consonant sound. Okay, did you understood the usage of A, children? Okay, so in your worksheet page 19 you can see 3 more examples given: a fan, a table, a car. And here fan, F is a consonant letter. And the next picture, a table. Here T is a consonant. And last picture, a car, and the letter C is a consonant. And before a consonant sound, you should write which article? Yes, the article A. Okay. Now we'll move on to the article, the second brother, an. Okay. Now an is used before the naming word that begins with a vowel sound. So which are the vowels, children? Which are the vowels? They are A, E, I, O and U. So the naming words will begin with the vowels, and if it is beginning with a vowel sound, you should write the article an. Okay. So here the first picture is a picture of a egg, isn't it? And here the word egg beginning with the letter E, and E is a vowel sound, isn't it? E is a vowel sound, and then you should write which article, A or an? Very good. You should write the article an. Okay? Yes. The next picture is a picture of an octopus, and as you can see here, the octopus word is beginning with a vowel sound O. Okay? And then you should write the article an before the word octopus. An octopus. Okay? Next word, an apple. What is it? An apple. And here the letter A is a vowel sound, and we should write which article? An. We should write the article an before the noun apple. So an apple. Okay. Next, an umbrella. Okay, an umbrella, and this word is also beginning with the vowel sound U, and you should write the article an before the noun umbrella. Okay, and you can see 3 more example in page 19. See the first word, an eye, next an ice cream, and the third picture, an aeroplane. Here I beginning with the vowel sound E, so you should write an eye. The next one, ice cream, beginning with the vowel sound I, so you should write an ice cream. And the third picture, an aeroplane, and aeroplane, the word is beginning with the letter A, which is a vowel sound, so you should write the article an. So an is used, the article an is used with the naming words that begins with a vowel sound. Okay, article an is used with a naming word that begin with a vowel sound, and we should write the article an. Okay, we should write the article an if the noun is beginning with a vowel sound. Okay, did you understand, children? Yes. And now That was about the usage of a and an. And we are going to summarize what we have learned today. We learned that a, an and the are called articles. Repeat. A, an and the are called articles. We use the article a before words that begin with a consonant sound, and we use article an before words that begin with a vowel sound. I repeat. Please repeat after me, children. A, an and the are called articles. We use the article a before words that begin with a consonant sound. We use the article an before words that begin with a vowel sound. Okay, so today we learned how to use the articles a and an. And now we'll move on to your activities in page 20. Turn over the page, children. Page 20. You can see 3 activities, right? This is your first activity, that is mark a tick mark if the article used is correct and put a wrong mark if it is wrong. Okay, so the first word is an igloo. An igloo. The word an igloo. Igloo is a noun, and look, children, is it beginning with a vowel sound or consonant sound? Igloo is beginning with the letter I, isn't it? I is a vowel, and if the noun is beginning with a vowel sound, you should write article an. So is it correct or wrong? Correct. So what you have to do? You have to put a tick mark. Okay? Have you done it? Yes. On to the next word, an chair. An chair. And here chair is a noun and it is beginning with the letter C. Here C is a consonant, isn't it? So which article should come there? Yes, the article A should come. But here Miss have given here an. So is it correct or wrong? It's wrong. So you should put wrong mark. Third one, an apple. Here apple A is a, yes, it is a vowel sound, and we should write the article an. So it is a correct word. Next, a Eskimo. Here it's beginning with the letter E. The word letter E, is it a vowel or a consonant sound? It is a vowel sound. So before a vowel sound you should write the article an. But here I have given A. So is it correct or wrong? It is wrong. So you should write, put wrong sign. Next, a bag. It is beginning with the consonant letter B, and before a consonant sound we should write the article A. So it is correct. Put a tick mark. Next, an banana. An banana. Here B is a consonant. So what you should write here? Before a consonant sound we should write article A or an. A. Is it correct here? No, isn't it? So you should put wrong sign. Have you done this? All did? Very good. Now we are going to the next activity, that is you should write the correct articles before the words given there. Okay, the first word is, what is the first word? What is the first word? Dash pen, isn't it? And here pen, it's beginning with a vowel sound or consonant sound. It is beginning with a consonant sound, isn't it? P is a consonant letter. So, which article must come there? Yes, you should write article A. So, we are going to write article A in cursive small letter starting from the third line. A pen. Okay. Next one, dash egg. Is it beginning with a vowel sound or consonant sound? It is beginning with a vowel sound, isn't it? So, which article will come there? Yes, the article and. So, everyone write A-N, an egg. Next, dash boy. B is a consonant. So, which article will come? Yes, article A boy. Next, dash ice cream. Ice cream is beginning with the vowel sound I. So, which article will come there? Yes, article an. Next, dash book. Which article will come there? Book beginning with the consonant sound. So, article will be a book. Next, dash owl. Owl, it is beginning with the vowel sound O. So, the article will be an owl. Okay. Next one, dash table. What will be the article, children? Yes, T is a consonant. So, which article will come there? A table. Next, dash umbrella. Umbrella is beginning with the vowel sound U. So, article will be, yes, very good, an umbrella. And the last one, ink pot. Dash ink pot. Ink pot is beginning with the vowel sound I. So, the article will be, yes, an ink pot. So, we wrote the articles in the correct space given. I hope you all have done it neatly in the correct formation of cursive. Did you write it neatly, children? Yes, very good. So, now we are going to move on to the last activity of page 20, that is fill in the blanks with a or an suitably. And here for you it's given a picture. Instead of noun, I have given the picture of it. You have to recognize the picture and remember the alphabets, the letter or the beginning letter of the picture, and then you have to think and guess and write the correct article. Okay, so for you I have given here the answer of it. Instead of picture I have given here the answer. So, I ate dash. There you can see you have given a picture of an apple. So, I have given, instead of putting a picture, I have written here apple. So, A is given here, right? Apple beginning with the letter A and it is a vowel sound. So, what will be the article? The article will be I ate dash apple. What will be the article? An. So, you should write here an apple. I ate an apple. Did you write, children? Okay. The next one, this is dash. You can see I have given the picture of umbrella. So, umbrella, the first letter is beginning with U and U is a vowel sound, and so you should write the article an. This is an umbrella. Okay, repeat. This is umbrella. Next one. Renu reads dash. There you can see I have given a picture of a book. So the word book beginning with the consonant sound B, and the article that comes here is A book. Renu read a book. Okay. Next, fourth one. Nina is wearing dash. There you can see a picture of a frock. So frock beginning with the consonant sound F. So the article that comes there is a. Nina is wearing a frock. Repeat after me. Nina is wearing a frock. Next, this is dash boy. This is dash boy, and here you can see it is beginning with the consonant letter B. And what will be the article? Yes, the article will be a. This is a boy. Repeat. This is a boy. Next, this is dash. You can see the picture of elephant, isn't it? And the elephant beginning with the vowel sound E, isn't it? So what will be the article coming there? Yes, the answer is an. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. So we have completed our activities of page 20, and I hope you all understood the chapter articles and how to use the articles a and an. Okay children, keep on practicing, and I want everybody to do few more activities with the help of your parents, and keep practicing, and thank you children.